With Hypermill's 3D plane machining, planar surfaces on components can be programmed in just a few clicks. Milling areas can be defined easily by simply selecting boundaries or surfaces. If the user does not define boundaries or surfaces, all planar surfaces in machining direction are automatically selected. The generated toolpaths are based on a pocket strategy for efficient machining. For increased process assurance, all toolpaths are collision checked as well. If the user wants to machine every planar surface of the part, this strategy automatically detects all planar surfaces in the machining direction by simply not selecting any boundary or surface. Now Hypermill generates toolpaths for all these surfaces without any selection made by the user. After calculation, the user can visualize the process using Hypermill's reliable simulation tools. This ensures a safe process on the machine tool.